My hair's all messy. I know. I know. See, and I just like, oh, my hair's so dry and I'm scared if I brush it, it's gonna fall out because we dyed it and it fell out and it's still falling out and I'm scared I'm gonna go bald. So I don't want to brush it yet. But look at this. That's Mickey. Mickey, say hi. That's Mickey. She's a Saint Bernard, and these. Who? Do you see this kitten? Do you see that? It was attacking my back. And then they were eating for their first time. There was 5 of them. Yep. They're only like a couple weeks old. Cat attack. Bye.